Welcome back. While we've primarily worked with numerical data so far, Pandas truly shines when working with real-world, often messy, string data. This lecture explores how to create and, more importantly, efficiently manipulate series composed of strings using Pandas' vectorized string methods. 1. Creating a series of strings. Just like numbers, you create a series of strings by passing a list of string values. The D-type is typically object or string, depending on your Pandas version. Notice that in real-world data, strings often contain unwanted leading or trailing whitespace or inconsistent capitalization. This is where vectorized methods become essential. 2. Vectorized string methods. Python string methods like lower or strip normally operate only on a single string. Pandas introduces the str accessor, which allows you to apply these methods to every single string element in the series, without writing an explicit loop. Here we use .str.strip to remove whitespace, and then chain.str.lower to standardize the capitalization. This element-wise application is fast and clean. 3. Conditional string operations. You can also perform checks on the strings. For example, .str. contains checks if a substring is present in each element and returns a Boolean mask. We can then use this mask, which we learned about in the NumberPy module, to filter the original series and extract only the cities containing the letter O. To summarize, the .str accessor is your key tool for text processing in Pandas. Our next lecture 36.07. Describe. See you there.